Last week I was on the Williams-Sonoma website and I stumbled across the fact that Lodge is bringing back one of their older woks. Now, if you're not familiar with that wok, this is it. This was given to me by a good friend a little while ago, and it's a beauty. But I love this wok even more than their modern one because it has this handle. It's a little bit smaller, and for my stove, it just works a little bit better. But this has always been one of my favorite pieces from Lodge, old or new. So I wanted to share the unboxing of this with you, and then we're going to kind of compare the new one against the older one. So here we go. And here it comes. All right. So right away I noticed one difference, and that is the fact that they now have Lodge stamped on the helper handle. That's good because that'll determine which one is the older one and which one is the new. But you can see they're the same size. Can you get that? They're the same size, same height. But what I really wanted to see is what did they do with the bottom? So let's check it out. They left it the same. Look at that. They left it the same. That's really cool. All right, so let's look at this one. Compare it. They left it the same. Looks like, as far as how deep these are here, these ridges, they're deeper on this wok. They're deeper on this wok. I think the logo on this one is a little more pronounced on the older. The font has changed on the newer one a little bit, and now they're including a pattern number on here as well. But really, that's the only difference. These, like I said, are a little bit more shallow than on the older wok. Pan over here for me. And, you know, this is actually a plus because when I season this, it's a pain to season this and get all the way down in these ridges. So this one's going to be a little bit more, it's going to be a little bit easier to season. So pattern number is 12SF. They call this, they don't actually call it a wok, they call it a stir fry skillet. So, but very nice. Very nice. Pretty much it's the exact same pattern. Now if you scroll down, pan down here, the helper handle on this one is the same as over here. And these handles are pretty much identical. Probably should have taken that off. So the handles are pretty much identical. So look at the top of the handle. Yep, pretty much identical. So, very nice, very nice. I never thought I would see the day when they would actually bring this back. They know that I love this piece, so I'm happy to see this piece come back. And at a price of just $69.95, you can't beat it. Can't beat it. Very nice. So I'm really going to enjoy having two of these. So there you have it, the Lodge 12-inch stir-fry skillet. I think it's actually about 12.25, but very nice, being sold by Williams-Sonoma, made in the USA by Lodge. Very nice.